Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share a few points to improve your spoken English skills. Point number 1. Think in English. Whatever you think in your mother tongue, translate that into English so that your English will improve. Point 2. Talk to yourself in English. Because sometimes it so happens you won't get any partner to talk with in English. So at that time, talk to yourself. That will improve your English. Third, use a mirror while you're talking in English to observe yourself. Point 4, focus on English fluency and less on English grammar initially. Next point, once you pick up your spoken skills in English, pay attention on grammar because grammar plays an important role while you are talking in English. Sixth point, practice English tongue twisters because that will help you a lot. Point number 7, listen to English news daily. That will also improve your English communication skills. Point number 8, read English newspapers daily. Last but not the least, use English dictionaries to improve your vocabularies and to know the meanings. So these are the points which you have to follow to improve your spoken skills in English. Thanks a lot. Bye.